My current role is a cloud architect within the company of Ixo, and I'm implementing also legacy infrastructure. That's the reason why I'm learning with Cloud Academy. It was to get a lot of hands-on experience and to get certified. Currently, my goal is to get certified next month. I'm trying with the cloud practitioner in maybe a year. I would like to try the cloud architect, so I have 2 goals in the current year. I've applied for a lot of job interviews, and they asked me a lot about certifications. The AWS certification is a big plus to get a senior job. That's the first goal, to get a bigger job. I'm following a lot of paths from the beginning to the end with a lot of labs in between, and that's helping a lot. Listening to lectures is a big plus, but you don't have the hands-on experience, and that's a big plus from Cloud Academy to have a lot of hands-on experience. So that's the reason why I like Cloud Academy so much.